initial appearance in two cases. The first is cause number 24 DCCR 2220. And in that case, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 24th of 2024. And then you also have cause number 25 DCCR 0324, where you're also charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, and that's from January 27th of 2025. So, since you've made bond in these cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's on the process of right now.
Who are you planning on hiring?
I don't really understand.
2 separate felony gun charges. 2 different dates. Same defendant. This is already a flashing red light for the court because repeat firearm possession cases trigger much stricter bond conditions. Right here is where things quietly start going downhill for Mr. Greer.
Right after I had just run off on the other case, so I really haven't had time.
Do you have your GPS device on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you made a $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Greer, is, hold on, let me look at one thing before I do that.
A $100,000 bond and another $20,000 bond means the court already considered him a public safety concern. Bond is not just about freedom. It is about trust. And trust, once cracked, becomes very expensive.
Where are your previous felonies from? Where have you been convicted of felonies? What counties?
It was just county.
Here in Jefferson County? How can I see on here? Go to where? I don't know what you're my what? I don't see summary. Click on your star. Summary. Or actually go to parties. Click on his name and then click on his name again. Cases. That's a bunch of bad stuff. And those are active in the scroll. So this is a felony. That's a. Oh, that's the same as that. This one. There's that one. Unauthorized use of a vehicle. Yeah. It's the same. That was dismissed. These were disposed. And then there's more. These are misdemeanors. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Greer, if I test you this morning, you gonna have something in your system? No? All right, let's double check that and then we'll figure out what to do, okay? Just have a seat in the jury box.
Notice this move by the judge. A drug test before any decision is made is not routine politeness. It is a legal checkpoint. One wrong result here can completely change the direction of the hearing in seconds.
Hi, Berto and Ramon. We showed you as a warrant, but we can't confirm it with the jail, with the dispatch. So.
Oh, Ramon Artola?
Yes,
Okay, so.
I'm gonna bring him back out. Sharon said you called the door?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we're going to take him down to 3 and let them figure it out.
It's out of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me do, remind me and I'll call it. Well, you want to go ahead and get on with that? Is he out here? Good morning. Are you Ramon Artola Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Artola, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25.
Much later.
Mr. Greer, when did you bond out?
Like sometime last month, like, it was like the last month. In the beginning, because I bought out 2 times back to back, so it was like.
So you but within a month, you bonded out, and then you smoked marijuana before coming to court with 2 felonies pending.
What you mean?
You tested positive for THC
You said this morning.
before court. So within the last month, after bonding out for 2 felonies, you've already made a bond on one of those of $100,000.
This is the moment everything collapses. Testing positive while on bond is not a small mistake. It is legally treated as violating court trust. Question for you. If someone cannot follow basic bond rules, should the court still believe they will show up for trial?
Weekend, New Year's Eve.
Like the beginning of December, probably I'm not gonna lie, probably when I first got out.
So here's the thing, Mr. Greer, what you're charged with is 2 felon in possession of firearm cases. That concerns me greatly, the fact that you made those bonds and still made the terrible decision to smoke marijuana between now and then. It's obviously a violation of your bond as well. And so based on that, I am going to raise your bond in each of your cases. In cause number 25 DCCR 0324, I'm raising that bond to 2.
Here is the legal trigger. Firearm felonies plus bond violation equals immediate risk escalation. This is why judges move fast. The court is not punishing him yet. It is preventing what might happen next.
Be required to wear a GPS monitoring device and be on house arrest.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Well, they'll take that off. If you make the bonds in the other cases, you're going to have to get another one on, and you're going to be on house arrest. You can't leave your house if you make those bonds except to come to court or see your lawyer. Do you understand?
House arrest, GPS monitoring, drug patch. This is what maximum pretrial control looks like. The judge has essentially placed him inside a legal cage before trial even begins. Do you think this was fair or too strict?